The model articles of association often cause confusion for new entrepreneurs. In this video, we'll discuss what the model articles of association are and how you can change them. We'll follow along the journey of Jennifer, a budding entrepreneur who is looking to start a recruitment agency. So Jennifer has decided to incorporate a company with Companies House, and during the process has been asked to either select the model articles of association or upload a bespoke version of the articles. But what are articles of association? So the articles of association are the rules that govern how a business is to be run internally. This is a document that is required by UK law for all LTDs in the UK. The articles of association will dictate how Jennifer is to run her business, including the powers of the directors, the shares and their voting rights alongside their dividend rights, and how certain decisions are to be made. If Jennifer doesn't have any bespoke articles created in advance, then she might want to select the model articles for now. Before we discuss how the model articles can be amended to better suit Jennifer's business, let me introduce myself. I'm Malcolm Zoppi, the Managing Director of Gaffney Zoppi, and Gaffney Zoppi is a boutique professional services firm that specializes in helping small businesses minimize risks, save, and make money. So, how can the model articles of association be changed? In brief, you need at least 75% of the voting shares or the shareholders to be in favor of the decision to change the articles of association. This is done via a general meeting of the shareholders, and if the required amount of shareholders are in agreement, then the special resolution is passed and the articles are amended. You'll need to file documents with Companies House, and you'll need to make sure that the changes that you're making to your articles are legally valid. To learn more about how articles of association can be amended, I've linked a video in the description below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, which covers a range of issues that are relevant for small businesses in the UK. If interested in a free advice call, feel free to reach out via our website, which is linked in the description below.